We're at the Termini. The Termini station. And we're going to Termini station. There's Eataly. It looks like Eataly here is a shopping place. Over in LA we have Eataly restaurant. Over here it's a shopping plaza. Where's Hannah? Naya, saan na si Hannah? We're at the Termini station.
2027.
Yeah.
I-12540.
Let's take a look at the we're gonna take a look at the schedule of the train to go to Civitavecchia port when we leave on Friday to go to our cruise. Departures Civitavecchia 2027. Yeah. So we can take the train to go to Civitavecchia International Bookshop. All right, let's walk around here. Oh, Italy is also a restaurant here. Yeah. So it is a restaurant here too, like the Eataly in Los Angeles, I guess. Should we check it out? Yes.